you brought with you to California?
Yung mga long-time friends ko na sila, Nina. Are you talking about Jera?
Gerald, yes.
Kasama ko si Jera.
O nga, may photos kasi lumabas. Although sa IG mo and sa IG niya lumabas, pero may lumabas na photos. You invited him?
Hindi. It was parang dinner yata eh. Tapos we were talking about kung ano yung gagawin for the holidays. And so parang that idea just came up.
Okay. At least, talagang naghanap ng oras for that. Yeah. So, this must be really special. Kamusta naman? Is this the first time you travel kayo ni Jenna together alone?
Hindi, nung Halloween,
abroad.
nag-Halloween kami. Pero marami kami nun talaga, parang 17 yata, 14. Nag-Halloween kami sa Singapore.
Maganda yung sinagot mo kanina. Kung naging love ka, kakalimutan yung sarili mo, pwedeng makiulit. Yung Miss Universe na sagot mo yun.
Hala, nakalimutan ko
Pag naging
na.
love ka, total sacrifice ka sa kalimutan
Hindi,
yung sarili.
sabi falling in love is already a sacrifice of its own kasi the mere fact that you decided to fall in love with someone, yun pa lang, yung kakalimutan mo yung sarili mo, it's already a sacrifice. Hindi ko siya ganun, hindi ko siya ganun sinabi. Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na. I was in the moment kanina.
Nasa ganung stage ka ba ngayon?
Ha?
Nasa ganung stage ka ngayon?
Nakakalimutan ko yung sarili
Yes,
ko. Wala pa yun sa kakalimutan ko yung sarili ko. So, hindi right now, I'm just enjoying. I'm just happy na, ayun, na may mga tao at taong na gustong nagpapasaya sa akin and yun pa lang blessing. Ayoko pa siyang i-proseso.
So Bella, sabi mo kanina, you're dating.
We're dating, so ang hirap na unahan yung mga bagay-bagay na ayoko pang siguro mag-process. Right now kasi especially this year, ang dami ko talagang gustong ma-achieve.
So you decided?
Gusto kong maging proactive this year. So ang dami kong put off in the past years na gusto ko ma-achieve finally this year. So, ayun. Siguro share ko yun sa Instagram ko yung mga bagay-bagay na yun.
So ba you decided to fall in love again?
Ha?
Kasi kanina sagot mo kay Jet, pag ang love ay sacrifice. Diba? So you decided to sacrifice and fall in love again. Parang ganun.
Hindi ko pa decide. I decided to be proactive this year. Yung sinasabi ko. Ayun, this year, marami akong gustong gawin. Kaya, parang mas yun muna yung focus. But, syempre, yung mga tao nagpapasaya sa'yo, hindi mo naman, parang gusto mong i-savor yung bawat moment na yun.
Well, last night, tonight in Abuda, I'm sure nakarating sa'yo na may photos of Gerald and Kim na lumabas na in a party daw na medyo close.
Talaga? Ay, hindi ko napanood. Nagtataping ako.
Gusto mong makita yung photos?
Hindi naman.
Okay yun. Kasi anyway, there's a party and they were parang
ayun yata yung...
Ayun. What's your reaction to that? Kasi medyo tahimik kayo ni Shai ngayon and yet photos are coming out.
Anong gusto niyo?
Ano na gusto mong reaction? May i-react ka ba doon sa mga photos na medyo close na sila ulit din sa...
Hindi, di ba parang maganda nga yung nagkakasundo sila dun sa show nila because parang you don't expect these two people not to get along and do a project together. Of course, you expect them to be friends again and get along again. O kung may moment ba na, actually wala akong alam kung may moment ba na hindi sila naging okay, hindi ko alam eh. But, pero maganda naman na nagkakasundo sila.
And you're not want to doubt Gerald about anything na pwedeng gawin?
No naman. Tsaka parang wala pa kami dun sa stage na parang, hindi ka pwedeng, ayun parang hindi naman.
So you're taking things slowly para mas stable ba? Or para tutulas?
Tsaka hindi naman ako ganong klaseng tao na nag-speculate agad ng mga bagay-bagay na para sa akin kasi kung ano yung ipinapakita ng tao, yun yung importante. Parang, and I know he's a very trustworthy person.
So you trust him enough na hindi ka niya sasaktan?
Hindi, tsaka wala pa kami sa stage na parang, bawal mong gawin to, bawal. Tsaka hindi ako ganong klaseng tao, hindi ako nag-jump into conclusion.
Is he a boyfriend material?
Oo naman.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Kasi he's a very responsible man and alam mo na loving siya, alam mo na marami siyang ginagawa sa buhay niya to become a better man. So, yun pa lang.
What are you realizing at this point about yourself? And about what are your recent learnings about love?
Kasi Enchong.
Realizing the things that I realized about myself, that